Good morning, children. Let's continue the topic function, in which we will learn today solution of exercise 2.3 from NCERT. NCERT exercise 2.3 questions you can see there, and solution of this exercise I have done, and I'll explain to you how I solved it. You can see first question, in which what is given to us: element 2 has image 1, element 5 has image 1, 8 has 1, 11 has 1, 14 has 1, and 17 has 1. Means all domains have same images. Therefore, what we say, it is a function. And special name of this function is many-one function. Now, in the second part, you can see 2 has image 1, 4 has 2, 6 has 3, 8 has 4, 10 has 5, 12 has 6, and 14 has 7. Means all different domains have different images. Therefore, it is also called a function, and special name of this is one function, because one domain has one image. In the third part, you can see 1 has image 3. Here 1 also has 5, 2 has 5, means what is here? 1 has two images, 3 and 5. In case of function, it is not possible. That's why it is not a function. One domain can't have more than one image. Now, in question number 2, function is given to us minus of modulus of x. And it is given to us x belongs to R. Therefore, what is domain of this function? It is a real number, because it is given to x belongs to R. And what is modulus function? Mod can be defined like minus x when x less than 0 and x when x greater than or equal to 0. And if we will multiply with minus sign, it will become positive and it will become negative. It is positive here, but x is less than 0. Means x is automatically negative here. And x is negative here, it is already in this function. Means x is negative in both the cases. That's why what is range of this function? That is minus infinity to 0. 0 is included, that's why we took here closed interval. And in case of second function, it is given to you root of 9 minus x square. And we know that root of 9 minus x square is defined for all real numbers. And we can substitute values of x only from minus 3 to 3, because when we will substitute minus 3 here, it will become 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Root of 0 is 0, which is a real number. If we will substitute any value which is less than minus 3, like minus 4, whose square is 16, and 9 minus 16 is negative, and root of negative number is not possible. That's why we can't take more than, we can't take less than minus 3. And similarly, when we will substitute the value of x as 3, it will become again 3 square is 9 and 9 minus 9 is 0, whose root is possible. But if we will take more than 3, which is not possible, that's why domain of this function is minus 3 to 3. Means values of x we can substitute from minus 3 to 3. And when you will substitute the values of x from minus 3 to 3, you will get all values of fx which lying from 0 to 3. That's why range of this function is closed interval 0 to 3. How you will get 0? That x is minus 3, whose square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, and root of 0 is 0. And when you will substitute value of x is 3, whose square is 9. 9 minus 9 is also 0. Now, you can see here in the question number 3, function is given to you 2x minus 5, and we have to find out the value of f of 0. Let's replace x as 0. By replacing it and by simplifying it, we are getting minus 5. When x is 7, then you will replace x as 7, and by simplifying it, you are getting 9. F of minus 3, by simplifying it, you are getting minus 11. These are all values of the function whose 2x minus 5. And in the next question, question number 4, function is given to you t of c, which is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. And when we have to find out t of 0, means we replace c as 0. And by simplifying it, we are getting 32. And c is 28. By replacing c as 28 and simplifying it, we are getting 412 upon 5, which is also called the value of the function. And similarly, when we will replace c as minus 10 and simplifying it, we are getting the value of function is 14, which is also called value of the function. In the fourth part, what is given to you, value of the function is 212, means function is given to you 9c by 5 plus 32, which is 212. And by simplifying it, we are getting the value of c, which is 100. In question number 5, we have to find again domain of the function. And what is domain of the function? You can see here, function is 2 minus 3x, and x belongs to R, already given to us, and x is greater than 0. X is already positive given to you, but more than 0 means 0 is not included. That's why what is domain of this function? All positive real numbers. But 0 is not included. That's why we took open interval. And in this case, we have to find out range also. And by substituting all these values between 0 to infinity, you will get value of the function, which is from minus infinity to 2. But 2 is not included. And in question number 2, function is given to you x squared plus 2 when x is a real number. That's why domain of this function is a real number. And similarly, the range of this function is also real because you will get all real numbers in this case. But here what we have to write, we can write here whatever the value we will substitute of x, whose scale is always positive, whether x is negative or positive. That's why you will get range of this function, which is R positive, all positive real numbers. In third case, you can see here, function is given to you x, which is already identity function, whose domain and range are all real numbers. In this case, you know already we have done in type of functions. And similarly, you can find out in other questions how to find out domain and range. Thank you so much.